Vidkun Abraham Lauritz Jonssøn Quisling, 18 July 1887 – 24 October 1945, was a Norwegian military officer and politician who nominally headed the government of Norway during the occupation of the country by Nazi Germany during World War II. He first came to international prominence as a close collaborator of explorer Fridtjof Nansen, organizing humanitarian relief during the Russian famine of 1921 in Povolzhye. He was posted as a Norwegian diplomat to the Soviet Union and for some time also managed British diplomatic affairs there. He returned to Norway in 1929 and served as Minister of Defense in the governments of Peder Kolstad and Jens Hundseid, representing the Farmers' Party. In 1933, Quisling left the Farmers' Party and founded the fascist party National Samling. Although he achieved some popularity after his attacks on the political left, his party failed to win any seats in the Storting, and by 1940, it was still little more than peripheral. On 9 April 1940, with the German invasion of Norway in progress, he attempted to seize power in the world's first radio broadcast coup d'etat, but failed after the Germans refused to support his government. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.